I'm just gonna say to you, Shania Kiana, why can't you just respect J. Rick Silva? Make a public apology. Oh, you should apologize as of now. But for meanwhile, I say to Shania Kiana, don't do that again. Here is my accusations against you, Mark Cruz. Mark Domingo Cruz. I say again, I just want to repeat it to you. When are you gonna stop cursing me a bad words? I read this in the thread anyway. What did he said to me? Shut the fuck up, Adolf Hitler. Wannabe. Excuse me, Mark Cruz. You're supporting Israel of genocide of Palestine. You're supporting Israel who wants to bombing raid at Lebanon. Is this what you like, Mark Cruz? Mark Domingo Cruz, you and Paulo Cruzada are very bad influence. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I had enough of this nonsense, and I had enough of this bullshit. And fuck you, Mark Cruz. Don't ever curse me bad words at me. At least I never say the bad words in Instagram, Facebook, and Thread. No. But you, Mark Cruz, you need to stop with your bad words. Will I put you in my enemy list together with Shania Kiana, Paulo Cruzada, Mark Domingo? You want to be put them in enemy list together with Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Jim Macasandil, and Shania Kiana, and even Paulo Cruzada and Kulas Cruzada? Do I even want you to put you in my enemy list, Mark Cruz? Mark Domingo Cruz, I had enough of your bad words. You should never ever curse me a bad words. Don't say bad words at me. I'm not saying bad words, Mark Cruz. Even Teacher May says to me that bad words that you using in the threads, that is a cause of cyberbullying. You're the one who's a bully. You're the one who started bullying at Ryan Chris Lucero. Is this what you like? To bully anybody? Roylan Marlang, I just suggest to you, block Mark Cruz in Instagram. I-block mo na yung tarantadong Mark Cruz na yan, like I said. This guy is saying a bad word. At least, Roylan Marlang, I say to you, at least if you listen to Teacher May Tabor show, or Ate Rona, or even my friend, Teacher Chin Busmante, i-block mo na yan, si Mark Cruz. Don't you even know he cursed me a bad word? Mark Cruz, where did you get that foul languages of F word? I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Domingo Cruz, I had enough of your profanity words. If I were you, just like I want to tell you something, tigilan mo yung pagmumura mo, Mark Cruz. If I'm just saying to you, JD Sagala and Eliza De La Cruz, who were arch enemy of Mark Cruz, I just want to mention their name. They will sue against you, Mark Cruz. Just like what happened to me, I got sued from David Gill. I explained to Roylan Marlang. Kakasuhan ka na, I say to you, Mark Cruz. You know, Mark Cruz, you're the one who curses Jerick Silva's birthday. Me, did I curse Jerick Silva's birthday when I say F word? No. I greeted Jerick Silva happy birthday in TikTok live. I greeted him in TikTok live happy birthday. Oh, more birthdays to come, Jerick Silva. I don't want to curse you bad words. Oh, I don't want to say to Jerick Silva. I don't want to curse him. Oh, did I ever curse Jerick Silva profanity word? You know, Mark Cruz, have a shame to yourself. If you curse my relative Nanay Ning Ning, if she's a German, I'm the one who's gonna start a fight at you, Mark Cruz. You're the one who curses me this foul language is what you're saying. This is really an insult.